Guest list management. Guest lists can easily be imported and managed within a created event under the Guests tab. This tab is located within the top gray band. Upon entering this tab, you will be presented with the Guest List Management window. Please note that if you choose to do assigned seating for your event by placing each guest at a specific seat, you'll need to enter all guests individually. This means that each guest must have a seat count of 1. Select the Got It, Let's Start button to begin to import a guest list. There are 2 options to import guests. First, manually input guest information at the bottom of the window. Select and deselect the new guest information boxes to reveal more information fields that can be entered for each guest or guests. After inputting the guest's name, seats, party, contact information, and/or address, select the Add button in the bottom right-hand corner or press your Enter key. The second way to input guests is via an Excel file. Select the Excel file button located in the top right-hand corner. Once selecting this button, you will be presented with an informational pop-up box which contains a downloadable Excel file. We do suggest using this Excel file to upload your guest list. This file has been coded to import all information correctly into the platform. Select the downloadable Excel link. The Excel file will populate in your downloading window within your computer. Select the Download to launch the Excel app. Within the Excel file, you will be first presented with the information table. You will see 2 example entries within the second and third row. Located at the bottom left-hand corner, a full instruction tab is available to walk you through inputting guests list in the Excel file. There are 3 important notes regarding the Excel file. 1. Do not add columns or change the column names. 2. Keep the headers row as the first row in the sheet. 3. When saving the file, keep its current file type. Moving back to the Guest Lists tab, you will be able to import any information regarding a guest. Not all fields need to be filled for uploading to occur. The minimum needed for a guest is at least 1 name. Once all desired information is within the Excel file, save the file to a commonly used location on your computer. Moving back to the Guests tab within the All-Seated platform, select the Load File button in the bottom right-hand corner and select the Guest List Excel file from the location it is saved in. Once the Excel file is loaded, select the Import button in the bottom right-hand corner. You will now see all guest information within the Guest List Management window. Guest information can easily be updated by selecting the informational field for that piece of information. You will also be able to type information into fields, and that typed information will appear at the bottom of the list for that category. Linked events are available to organize guests into subcategories. Select the pencil icon next to the linked event drop-down menu to create new linked events. Choose a preloaded event from the drop-down menu, or manually type a needed event. Select the plus button located on the right-hand side to add multiple linked events. Select OK to save the linked events. Simply select the linked event box within each guest row to assign that guest to a linked event. Additional tabs are located within the top of the Guest List Management window. Select the Address tab to view address information for each guest. Select the Contact tab to view phone and email information for each guest. Select the RSVP tab to assign RSVPs for each guest. Click the RSVP box once to set the RSVP to Yes. Click the RSVP box twice to set the RSVP to No. Click the RSVP box 3 times to set the RSVP to Maybe. Click the RSVP box 4 times to set the RSVP to Not Set. Select the Mail tab to assign mail information for each guest. First, select a linked event via the drop-down menu. Once selected, click inside the Mill Informational field for each guest. At first, the information in this field should read Not Selected. Once clicking inside this field, you will see a drop-down menu of preloaded mill options. You will be able to select one of these mill options, edit a mill option by clicking the pencil next to the option, delete the mill option by clicking the trash can icon next to the option, or type in your own mill option. If you have typed your own mill selection, you will see that option at the bottom of the drop-down menu. Lastly, you will be able to type in any comments that are needed for a single guest. Again, guest information can easily be updated by selecting the informational field for that piece of information.